Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Charge the phone, connect Wi-Fi, and note your Vivo model and Fun Touch OS version so you know which menus appear. Now open Settings and go directly to Security and Privacy or Apps and Notifications depending on your OS. You do this because Vivo often places ad controls in security or app permission areas. Once there, pause and scan for entry names like Personalized Recommendations, Ad Services, or System Ads so you can disable them in the next steps. You now disable the specific ad features. Locate and turn off Personalized Recommendations or Ad Services inside Security or System Settings. This blocks many cached recommendation ads. Next, open Vivo Browser and My App Store settings and disable pop-ups, promotional suggestions, and push notifications to stop in-app ad prompts. Also inspect pre-installed system apps. Revoke, show over other apps, or notification permissions for apps that shouldn't display ads. Finish by removing or disabling ad sources. Uninstall updates or disable suspicious pre-installed apps, then clear their cache and storage so hidden ad components stop running. If ads persist, boot into safe mode or run an ad detector to identify which app triggers them, then remove that app. As a last resort, reset app preferences or perform a factory reset after backing up data. Troubleshooting tip: if an app reinstalls itself, check for device admin or carrier, installed apps, and contact Vivo support before a full reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.